Okay, welcome here, ladies and gentlemen. This video will be talking about Mt5, how to operate Mt5. Very simple. I'll try to keep this as complete as possible and as short as possible, so you get everything you need. First thing we need to do is to download Mt5. This is a video on Android, how to use the Mt5 Android. I'm going to create one for the Mt5 iPhone. You understand? So we'll download Mt5, we'll create demo account. We'll understand all the functions of the app, everything involved. I'll show you how to arrange the app to customize it to your taste, how to place trades, how to set stop loss and take profits, and lots more. Do you understand? So we'll be diving in right away. The first thing to do, if you've already downloaded and everything, you can skip all these parts. But the first thing to do is to go to your app store, and here is our app store. And then you search for Mt5. Mt5 is MetaTrader 5. You can also use MetaTrader 4. I have a video for that. If you check the link in the description, you will see how to use the Android MetaTrader 4, how to use it. So you click on install and all that. So MetaTrader 4, this is MetaTrader 5, Mt5. You can see it from the number there, number 5. So Mt5 is like the Mt5, Mt4, they are like the general app for trading. You can download, so you can log in so many brokers accounts into the app. You can log into it and use it to trade. So any other broker app you are seeing all around, you can create an account on them and just log into Mt5 or Mt4 and trade. So we'll open it since we are done downloading it. Once you open, you have to accept, and they will try to automatically create a demo account for you, and that's okay. That's okay. They automatically create a demo account for you. You can use that. I don't know why this is taking some time. And so while we are at it, if you look down here, you will see the code section, the charts, the trade, the history, messages. So of course the quote is where you will see everything happening the chart is where you will see the chart of each of these pair. You understand? The quote is where you see the different pairs lined up, their spread, everything, their price levels. The chart is where you will see a visual representation of each of these pair. Then the trade is when you've opened a trade, you will see there the history. When you've closed the trade, you will see there. And I'm going to show how to use all these things. I don't know why this is not opening, but I'll just cancel it. You can. So the quote, you go to the quote. You understand? Normally on the quote part, the pairs should be showing, but let's open a trading account. You click on this place here, this menu icon. You click on it to open an account. Click on it. Click on Get Started. Just click on Get Started. Pretty instructive. Then you click on the plus icon. Either of them, this one here or this one here. Click on the plus icon. So you click on Find a Broker. Just search any broker you want to. Now, what we'll be able to create on Mt5 MetaTrader 5 is a demo account. That's a demo account, has a virtual money. It's not real money, it's just for practice. If you want to create a real account where you can deposit and withdraw, I will show how to do that I'm going to add a link in the description. You have to register on the broker's website directly. So there are some brokers, 2 brokers which I use. I'm going to add a link in the description for you to register. There's also a video there to guide you. So you register with them, create a real account where you can deposit and withdraw. Then you log into Mt5 or Mt4, either of them, and you can trade. So, but for now, let's focus on creating a simple demo account on Mt5. So let's just say FXTM. Any broker you can just search. Just click on it. And then we click on open a demo account. So if you had open a demo account, so if you have an account with them already, you can put your login ID and password. Like I said, the link in the description shows how to do all this. But for now, let's open a demo account. So you do that, click on open a demo account. Then you can just put any information here. You understand? They might try to verify some of them, but click on register, blah, blah, blah. And then they've sent some code to the email. Can just click on done, and then it is getting created and everything. So like I said, it's virtual money, nothing real. It's just to practice. If you're wondering, there is no difference between the real market and the real account market and the demo account market. There's no difference. It is the same forex market. The difference is just the money and obviously your psychology. and obviously your psychology. So you click on quotes, and yes, it's now showing all the pairs are showing. So I'm going to show you. First of all, you can customize this place. We can call this the front page as well, or the home page. You click on the plus icon to add. You click on this pencil icon to edit. So we'll start that right away. Click on the plus. You can add. You can open this what's it called now, this folder. Any pair you tap on goes to the front, gets added there. GBP card. So let's go and check it out. If you go back, you scroll down, you see GBP card that we added is now at the bottom, Euro JPY, like that. So you click on plus. You can even search. If you search for any pair and you don't see it, it has been added. For example, Euro USD, it is already there, which is why when we search, we did not see it. Yes, look at it right here. So Euro USD, fantastic, right? So spot metals, from there you can see silver, XAG USD, XAU USD, you add them. So now we can edit arrange it the way we prefer. You use this, like I said, to edit. So follow me. You tap on it, then you hold these three lines by the left. You hold it on each pair. For example, gold, I'm going to hold the three lines, hold it down. You can then move it to anywhere you want to, just to arrange it. The pairs that you trade the most should be at the top. I mean, I love gold, I love silver. Hold it down, move it up there. So are we together now? So that makes a lot of sense. So like that. So that's just, it's pretty straightforward. Now you can change this view. You can see the things here. These are the price levels. The low and the high. The price levels, these are the bid and ask price. You know, the big ones which I circled are the bid and ask price. You understand? Their difference is getting you the spread. You understand? So I have a video on forex basics and everything. You can check that out in the channel. Okay, you can check that out in the channel, and pretty straightforward stuff. So you can change the view. You can tap any of the pair, tap it, click on simple view mode at the bottom here. Then it shows it simple, just the bid and ask price, no spread, nothing, just straightforward. But I love the advanced view. So you tap on any pair again, click on advanced view, so you see it. Then at this bottom, we can click on the charts, see what exactly is on the charts. You can zoom out, you can zoom in. Now, this M5 here means candlestick. Sorry, the M5 is the time frame. It means 5 minutes. This plus icon can be used to get a line that you can use to move about the chart. This is for the indicators. Yeah, this is the time frame, 5 minutes. You understand? So this is to place a trade. This is also time, like that. So let's go on. I'm going to tap on then. So yeah, this is the line. You can see the line. We use it when we want to set stop loss and take profit. This is the indicators. Let's add an indicator. Let's add this F plus here. You click on it. Search any indicator of your choice. Let's say moving average. I don't want to edit it. I'll just leave it. It's red color. You will see the line. Yeah, it has been added. You will see the line. You can see the red line coming down on the chart. So like that, we click on that indicator, whatever. We can add another one, something like relative strength index, RSI. So this is not a video to show you how to use indicators, please. I have a video on that. This just show you how to use Mt5. So this is it. It is now showing at the bottom. The RSI is now showing at the bottom. So how do you remove it? The same way, you click on you click there on the indicator part. You click on that dustbin icon by the top. The dustbin icon by the top right. You click on it. You select the indicator you want to delete. Then you click on the dustbin icon again. You delete it, and the chart will go back to being blank. So you can click on that minute whatever for the time frame. Yeah, you click here for the time frame. Click on it. You can change it to 15 minutes. You might be wondering, what's the use of this time frame? It's used in analysis. It's also used, for your type of trader. You understand? Each candlestick is formed within that time. For example, in 15-minute time frame, each candlestick is formed within 15 minutes. Do you understand? So it just helps you to arrange things properly on the chart. Simple stuff. So you can tap the middle to see more items. You can see all the time frames, 30 minutes, 1 hour. So please, I did not say that in 1 hour time frame, if you place a trade, it's going to end after 1 hour. No, I did not say that, because I know a lot of persons get that misconception. That is not the use of time frame. Okay, time frame just shows you what the market has been doing within that time. Within that time range, each candlestick is formed under that time. If it's 1 hour time frame, each candlestick is formed within 1 hour. Okay, you understand? And like, it also helps in analysis. It helps in analysis, but it does not determine the duration of your trade. It doesn't. Very important for you to have that at the back of your mind. So if you tap the middle, this round thing comes up. You can change time frame. You can also see those things which are at the top. You can see them here. Very important. So now let's tap the last two, this and this. Tap the first one. It brings up pending orders. This is not a video for pending orders. I'll just show you how to place trade. I don't want to go into pending orders. Are we together? Pending orders. There's a video on that in my channel. You can check it out. Okay. Yeah. So let's remove it. Then the last one by the top right is for you to open a trade to place buy or sell. For you to place buy or sell. Okay, so but before we place buy or sell, let's still check other things on the chart. There are other things we can do on the chart. Let's remove it. Then you click the middle, like I said, for the center, this thing to come up. When you do that, this thing here is to open another window. You do that to open another window, to close a window. So you can have two different charts on your phone. It's very important to practice these things. So let's remove that. You tap on it. You can add plus new window, whichever plus new window. Yeah, Euro USD. So you can change the pair. When you tap on the Euro USD itself, orders will come up. The way we arranged it, if you remember, we put gold at the front. So we can tap on gold. It will load the chart of gold, 5 minutes. You can change the time frame. Tap the middle there, change the time frame to 1 hour. So practice these things. So that way you can have different, whatever on your different charts on your screen. Okay, are we together? Euro USD and the likes. So it's very, very important to play around with it. Generally, I don't like you can see the both of them showing. Generally, I don't like having two charts on the screen. I mean, the phone is small enough. Why use two charts, you know? But it's your choice. You can tap on that same place. You can change it to vertically. I mean, who wants to do that? You can see how bad the chart is. Let's just go back to our normal, delete it, tap the one you want to delete. Let's say Euro USD, click on remove, and then we have only gold on it. So I just wanted you to have it at the back of your mind that this is how it works. So MT4, MT5, they are related. It's just little differences. So you tap on this place to bring it down, the buy and sell, whatever. So you can place a buy and sell from the chart directly. Place on it, and yes, you can place a sell. You can change your lot size here. This is lot size. You can change it to 0.09. Place a buy. Click accept. This is because it's the first time. So our buy trade has been opened. No, it hasn't. Open my buy for me and stop. Okay, it's done. 0.01 is done. The second one which I pressed, so that first one, they just wanted us to accept their condition. Click buy now and it will open immediately. You can see it done very fast. So if you check this trade part, you see your history. I have a buy on Euro US on gold. You understand, I have two buys on gold, 0.09, 0.01. You understand, you know, the higher the lot size, the higher the money you'll be making or losing, which is why the 0.09 is having more money already, even though I opened them almost the same time, because it is a high lot size. So we can close the trade. How do we close the trade? We just slide it to the right, The first one is to close. The second one is to edit. The third one is to add. The fourth one is for charts. Let me circle them. This is to close. This one is to edit. This one is to add. This one is for charts, like that. So pretty straightforward. So if you click on it, you can close with profit. Do you understand? Close with profit. This is to edit. If you want to add the SL and TP, stop loss and take profits, we'll talk about that later. This is to plus, to add another. Let's click on sell. We've add another one. You can hear that sound. And what have you. So this is for the chart, just to look at what the market is doing. You understand? So this one is for you to see different things happening in the market, have a view of everything that's happening in the market, so you can see different orders and the like. So let's just close it. Let's close it. So you can also set the time you want to close it. So but I think it's just better off to just use take profit, close it, and we'll have it showing in our history. Right here. So you can see the date. Now you can click on this part of history to select the date you want it to show. It's showing today's trade, but you can show for last week, last month, blah blah blah. The only thing is, this is a new account, so we don't have for last week, last month, and the likes. Do you understand? So that's just the use of this history. You can even select the symbols you want it to show. You understand? Symbols you want it to show, just in case you are reviewing your trades and you want to see what your history is doing, like that. So orders, these are the orders we filled, deals and things like that. So now let's go back to the trade. So here we have it. This is what the market is doing. We can just allow this to play along, to play on for a while. Then we can edit it to set stop loss and take profit. Very important. So you can actually still open trade from the code section. Just go there, tap on XAGUSD or any pair, click on new order. You can click on buy. Let's click it buy. There we go. It's now open. Odd USD. So chart, you can see the chart, depth of market statistics, and so many other. I mean, you don't necessarily need all this, come on, but it's just there. They have so many things they put there. So before we talk about stop loss and take profit, let's talk about settings. So you click on this place right here, and when you click on it, you click on settings, and then you can select one click trading, order sound, advanced mode. Those things are important. Vibration, whatever makes you happy. Tablet interface, I don't recommend this. If you tap it, it's going to change. Let's see the changes. Here you go. I hate it. So go back to settings. I mean, tablet interface is for tablet. So you go there, you uncheck tablet interface. Peradventure your phone came like this or something. So settings, I'm looking for where would change the chart of the you can also change the chart, decide what you want it to be. The theme, system default, system language, lock screen. You can put lock screen and so many other things. You can play around on the settings and you will have a lot of stuff to be happy with. So I will always recommend that you check your settings and do it the way you want it to be. So that is basically that on so have we been able to do everything we talked about? I think we have. Probably the only thing left is our to set stop loss and take profit. So let's go do that right away. So now I need to explain to you how stop loss and take profit work. If you already know that, well, that's good, but if you don't, let me explain it to you. Now basically, when you place a buy, you are saying the market is going to go up in value. Do you understand? When you place a buy, you are saying the market will go up in value. Now that simply means when the market is going up, when you place a buy, the market is going up, you'll be making money. You understand? It's just simple. When you place a buy, the market is going up, you'll be making money. For example, here, if you place a sell and the market is going down, you'll be making money. Yes, a sell means you are saying the market will go down. For example, ever since we placed this sell, XAUSD has been going down. That is why we are in a profit of $30 here. We place a buy, but XAUSD has been going down, remember? So that means this is at a loss. That's why this is at a loss. The buy is at a loss. I hope that is clear enough. So the minus, the red color and the minus 2.8 is a loss. The blue color is a profit. This one, the blue is buy. The sell, obviously, 0.09 is the lot size. So we entered at 2931.38, 2931.69. So this is just an example for you to understand it. So now it's just pretty simple. Let me close this. You slide, you click on close, you close, just straightforward stuff. So when you place a sell and the market is going down, you'll be making profits. You understand? But you already know that the market will not go down forever. At some point it's going to reverse, so you set a take profit under your entry level, underneath your entry level, simply telling the broker that, look, even if I'm offline, even if I'm occupied, once the market gets to this particular level, close my profit and add the money to my balance. That's the use of take profit. You're telling the broker that once the market gets to so level, close it, add the money to my balance. So we'll do that. We'll set the take profit for a sell. Then the stop loss is above. In a sell, the stop loss is above the entry. You're simply saying, okay, the market is going against me. That the market is buying after I've placed a sell. If it's buying, then that means if it's going up, then that means I am wrong, right? So don't allow the market to just lose all of my trade. Close the trade at a certain point, so I will not have too much losses. That's the use of a stop loss you understand? So it's just pretty straightforward. Okay, so we are going to set that a stop loss and a take profit for a sell, and then we'll do that for a buy. Now you have to take note of something else. These are the open trades. You understand? If you check it, $24 profit, $16 loss. 24 minus 16 is giving us this 8 points or whatever that we have here. It keeps changing because the market is open, so it will keep changing. You understand? In fact, the loss is not even higher than the profit, so it just keeps changing anyways. So just know that it's the sum total of your open trades that is showing up here. Pretty instructive. And the sum total and what is showing up here, you understand, is what is affecting the equity. What is showing up here is affecting the equity. So this is the balance, this is the amount in your balance. Then the equity, whatever is showing up here, they will add it or subtract it from your balance. For example, now it's profit, so the equity will be higher than the balance. When it becomes loss, the equity will be lower than the balance. So I don't want you to worry about that. It's done automatically, but it's just for you to understand. The free margin is the part of your capital that's available for you to open more trades. So 2,922. Why is it so high? I mean, we only have 2,959. Even though we've opened trades and there is loss, we are still having 2,927 to open more trades. Why? Because we are using little lot size. Look at the margin. The margin is $39.57. The margin is the amount that is used to keep these trades open. The amount used to keep these trades open. Do you understand? And so, like I said, it's done automatically. It's just for you to have an idea what is happening. So the more this is increasing, the more this balance here is increasing, the more the equity is increasing. So it's not your money yet until you close the trade, but at least that's just what equity is all about. So now let's set the stop loss and take profit. So you click on this, you slide or you hold. I think holding also works. Yeah, holding also works. Close position, modify, new order, chart, bulk operations, whatever. So you just slide, click on the pencil icon, or you hold and you know what you are doing. Then you set a stop loss and a take profit. This position is take profit. The green one, the red one is stop loss. Some of them will not even add the SL and TP. They will just put lines and expect you to understand. So it's the color green is take profit, red is stop loss. So how do we get it? Now let's go to the charts. This is not a video on how to analyze and get, because it's from your analysis you get it the right way. It is just a video on how to use Mt5. So there's a different video for that. You can check it out. I have it in my channel, analysis strategies, everything. So you remember this line which I talked about? This is now the use from there to get the price level. To get the price level, you click on the line, you come down. So remember we say in a sell the take profit is down because this is where we entered the sell. You can see it at this point. You can even see it sell 0.09. So this is where we entered the sell. The market has been coming down since then. And that's why our gold trade is in profit. You understand? So you come down here. Let's say, okay, this position, we want to set a take profit there. 2920.57. 2920.57. So we go to our trade, we edit it, put take profit. You tap the plus so that it will show you similar this thing. 2920.57, click modify. The take profit has been added where we want it to be added, if you remember this position. So our stop loss has to be above as well. So okay, if the market turns and start going against us, close the trade. So above, you put it there, 2934.22, you edit it, click the plus icon on this stop loss, plus or minus whichever, 2934.22. I think that is what I got earlier. 0.22. 22. Click modify. Okay, that's correct, exactly. So you can see it now, the SL and the TP positions are there. So you can see it's straightforward. Nothing difficult to set it. I'll show you how to set it. So for the buy, in the buy, you are predicting the market is going to go up. So if the market is going up, it's going in your favor, right? You'll be making money. If it's going down, you'll be losing money. That's in the buy. Okay, so in a buy, obviously your take profit will be above, because as the market is going up, you are telling the broker, okay, even if I'm offline, yes, this order will work even if you're offline. Even if you're offline, you've turned off your data, your phone is dead, anything. If the market gets to a particular level, stop the trade and collect my profit for me. Do you understand? That's the meaning of the take profit that you've set. Collect my profit for me. So then if the market is going against me, even if I'm offline, if you get to a particular position where my stop loss is, collect stop the trade so I will not lose too much. Okay, so that's the use. So for the buy, the take profit has to be up. It's very important. If you make a mistake, you'll be getting invalid stop loss, or the modify button will not work. I'll show you an example now. So for the gold, let's open the charts. Sorry, for the silver. So like I said, in the buy, our take profit has to be up, like 33.081. That's a good place for a buy. 33.081. That's a good place for our take profit rather. So we go there. You can even modify on here, but let's just go this way. You can hold it. Let's hold this time around. 33.081. I've been talking too much. I'm forgetting what 33.081. So you click on modify position. 33.081. 33.081. You can see that makes sense. If you make it 2-3 now, it's lower. The modify icon will go away. The modify icon will go away. It will not show. Why? Simply because you have not set the take profit well. It's not going to allow you to modify. So if it's not showing, it means you did not set it well. So 33.081. We are putting it above the entry position. 33.081. We click modify. It's going to show for us. You can see it. Then we can put our stop loss underneath. 32.862. So this is just an example. Like I said, 32.862 is not a video that shows you how to analyze or the right place to put stop loss and take profit. No, I'm just showing you how to do it. There's a different video for analysis and everything. So we've done it. We've put our SL and our TP. You understand? So there is another way to do it. You can set your stop loss and take profit immediately you're opening a trade. You don't have to wait. Let's go back to, you don't have to come and edit the trade later. Let's say odd USD. Let's check the chart of odd USD. Now it's not going to be this one click trading. If it's this one click trading, you will not be able to achieve that. You will not be able to achieve that. If you click here, it will open immediately. They will not allow you to set stop loss or take profit. You have to go to the entry window, to the trade window. You have to go there and do it automatically from there. So odd USD, you click on new order, then this window will come up. This window will come up, and you can, this is stop loss, market execution. Yeah, if you change that, it can be pending orders, but this is not a video on pending orders. You can see the different pending orders. There will be a video, there's a video on that already, you understand? So I'm not going to cover that. So then the stop loss, the lot size, this is the lot size, sorry. So let's change the lot size. Let's put it something 0.15. That's okay. So we have to set stop loss well. If we don't set it well, it's not going to work. For example, if we leave it the same thing, click on buy, invalid. Can you see that? Invalid SL. Once you get invalid SL or TP, you are not setting it well. Invalid SL or TP, you are not setting it well. You have to set it well. First of all, if you want to buy, remember that the stop loss has to be below. Okay, it has to be below. So let's put 20. Let's make this one 970. The take profit has to be above in buying. If we click on sell, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. But if we click on buy, it's going to open. So it's very important you take note of that. So let's check the chart. You can see it. We clicked on a buy. We bought. This is the entry position. This is the TP above. This is the stop loss underneath. So with this you should be able to play around. You understand? Once you open a trade, we start with negative. That's because of the spread. Start with negative, then it starts to overcome the spread, and you'll get into profit. You understand? So I think we are good to go. Now our margin has increased. Why? Because we've opened more trades. It has increased from 37, I think, to 49 because we've opened more trades. Do you understand? We've opened more trades. Our equity is slightly better because this is $1 point something. So like that. So I think that's all on how to use MT5. Once again, if you want to, you click on manage accounts, plus then you add a real account. This time around, a real account, you can create one where you can deposit and withdraw. Using my link, you'll be able to get 100% deposit bonus. If you check the link in the description, you will see that the 2 brokers which I use, I recommend are there. Do you understand? And if you need a video on how to use MT4 or iPhone and MT5, it is also there in the description to guide you for you to move on. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Blessed FS Academy. Drop your questions in the inbox. I'm going to respond to all of them. If you have any video you want me to make, you can easily ask. And I wish you the best in trading. All the best. Check my channel for more videos that will help you out. Do have a nice day. Thank you so much.